Here is the good news of the day. The government of India has decided to expedite the entry of foreign-made vaccines to the country. The CDSCO, which is the regulator, says that within 3 days of this sort of an application for emergency use being made by each of these companies, approval is going to be given. That is, if the regulators deem it fit to give this approval. But that decision is going to be taken just within 3 days and there is going to be no delay. Of course, the rules are that if the approval is given, bridging studies by each of these companies have to be carried out. Here is the bad news. It's the return of lockdowns and curfews. Delhi city is the latest city to announce a weekend lockdown. The same has been announced by Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who said that gyms, spas and malls, also auditoriums, will remain closed. Cinemas will function with just 30% capacity. The attempt is to ensure that the surge in cases is brought under control. Delhi now is the worst hit city in the country, reporting more than 17,000 cases. Here is the ugly news of the day. Defiant devotees and a defiant Chief Minister in Uttarakhand has ensured that more than 1,000 cases of COVID have been reported from Kumbh. As we saw, all caution has been thrown to wind. The result is that many devotees, sadhus in Kumbh Mela right now are testing positive for COVID-19. Uttarakhand, the state itself in totality, has seen a massive surge in cases. But the Chief Minister says that there is a big difference between Markaz that was organized in Delhi last year and Kumbh, and that faith is also important as is health.